Hey, welcome to the Set Sales Academy. We are thrilled to have you here, and we want to express our gratitude for investing in yourself. Whether you're an industry veteran or just starting in sales, thank you for taking the initiative to advance your career. If you've trained with us or heard us speak at any event before, you know that we always emphasize this. Most people will take years to realize that they want to improve their lives and their business. Then in a moment, everything changes. It often takes years for someone to reach the point where they say enough is enough. They may be earning $5,000 or $10,000 a month, and then they decide it's time to level up. They start investing in themselves, and in a few months, their income can skyrocket from $10,000 to $50,000 a month. The truth is, it doesn't take years to change. It takes years to make the decision to change. It's that split-second decision to say, I'm done with the old habits, I'm ready for a new path. Whether it's deciding to eat healthier and work out, leading to a transformation in a few months, or ending a relationship that no longer serves you, the real change happens the moment that you decide. We appreciate you for making that decision. And maybe it's taken you 2 years to decide that you want to increase your sales. Maybe it's taken 2 months, weeks, or even days. Whatever the case may be, we commend you for choosing to level up. We're excited for you to dive into the Set Sales Academy. This 8-level comprehensive course covers everything from prospecting, presenting, qualifying to following up, handling objections, closing deals, getting referrals, leading a sales team, and much more. We can't wait to see you guys on Level 1, Module 1. Thank you for being here, and we appreciate your commitment to growth. Let's get started.